Hi everyone, I just got this. This is the new MacBook Pro. I am so excited about this, guys. I couldn't get it online, and if I pre-ordered, I would not have gotten it until I think December, like late November, December. So what I decided to do, I actually ordered this online, and you could have paid like a $9 service to get it couriered to you for a faster time. So I ordered this around, I'll say 11:30 this morning, and I think I got it about 1 o'clock this afternoon. So that was a pretty cool turnaround. The 14-inch base model, I didn't take any upgrades. I was really impatient about this. So there's a tab here that you pull to get it open up. Okay, wrapping is off. Again, I'm so freaking excited about this. I got a space gray. So feeling it, it's heavier than my previous MacBook Pro. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. It's even thicker than my previous MacBook Pro. Ooh, okay, looking at this. The charger seems pretty good. It's reinforced. Before, these chargers used to break quite easily. So I'm happy to see that the cord is reinforced. About these chargers, it's magnetic, and if you're charging your laptop and someone passes, it quickly disconnects so that they won't be able to trip. So it prevents trip hazards. You can also charge the laptop using the lightning charger. You can also charge your laptop using a USB-C charger. So the previous chargers I have will work, and notice I have a input for my headphones. This is what I really wanted this for. Do you see that? This slot here, this allows me to put in my I think it's an SD card for my photos and so forth. So no more trying to get stuff, let's say from my Canon camera, onto this. So now I can just plug the SD card in here. I have an additional C port, USB-C port, so I have 3 in all, and an HDMI port, guys. In my previous setup, I had to use one of these dongles with that HDMI port, so now it's all there for me. What's else in the box? So as I said, it came with this charger, and of course there's all this literature. To be honest, I never read this literature, so. Oh, and now it's changed from those white stickers to the black ones. Whoa, that's pretty cool. And I think I got the 65 watt USB, the 65 watt charger. There was an option for a 96 watt, but if I ordered the 96 watt, I would have had to wait, so I didn't want to wait. So I just ordered this. I do have my previous chargers from my other MacBook, so I won't have any issues here. And this is what the back of the MacBook Pro looks like. This is the MacBook Pro. The name of it is embossed. It's pretty freaking cool. Okay, so if you notice, compared to, I guess, the other MacBook Pros, there is a Touch ID, or my previous MacBook Pro, I should say. I had one from work, and that one had a touch bar. The touch bar is no longer included on the MacBook Pro. So notice we have our function keys here. Oh my goodness, this brings back so much memories to my very first MacBook Pro. That lasted me about 6 years. And it's back, guys. I feel like singing that song, you know, Return of the Mac. That's what I feel like singing, Return of the Mac. So guys, that's it. Let's get it started. This is the grand open, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to finish setting this up, but be sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I will be unboxing the new Apple Watch, the new AirPods, as well as the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So please like, comment, share. See you next time.